Hey there, CIS102. Just in case you're having difficulty locating where the questions are for the Word chapters 1 and 2 homework. So those are the ones that were due earlier this week on Monday, Labor Day. So they're still, open and available for you to take, just like they always are. So I have come through here on my lab. I have clicked on the assignment calendar and I've clicked on Monday, which was, again, Labor Day. The one that's giving people a little bit of an issue here, and we're going to see these again, so it's worth noting where all of this stuff is, are the Word 1 skills 1 through 10 homework. What I'll say is once you click on these and say open, we're going to have to give Eagle, or my IT lab rather, 45 minutes to go ahead and open. If we were to click on the preview steps, we would notice that it looks like it's incomplete, right? Like something almost didn't download properly. What we see here is complete skill 2, all the steps, complete skill 3, all the steps. And that is unsatisfactory. It does mention, however, over here in the download materials, where to go and find everything. But because it's an easy step to miss, I thought I would throw this together and put it out there just in case you're one of the ones who are struggling trying to locate where the actual steps for this are. So I'm going to go ahead and close the assignment here. We're going to come back to main menu and we're going to click on course materials. From here, we've got the two options, right? The things that we're used to seeing. We have the technology in action, and that would be, well, it is the physical textbook, but we don't have a physical copy of the textbook. And then we have Skills for Success series, and that is Word, Excel, Access, and PowerPoint. So we're going to click on Skills for Success, and then we're going to scroll down and find Microsoft Word 2019. Once we do that, this is where those would be. So clearly, that one assignment is just chapter 1 of Word. There is a chapter 2 of Word piece coming up. So that's going to be located in a different folder in here, but now you know how to get it. So if I was to go click on Word Introductory Chapter 1, because that's the chapter that corresponds with what it was that we were doing there with that homework, there's student resources and activities. Activities is clearly the one where that homework activity is going to be located. So there's the end of chapter, the grader. The grader is part of homework and simulation activities. If I come up one level from here, there is also in student resources, this is where all of the data files are located. So it says, in one of the two homeworks, it'll say insert a picture, and this is where you would find the pictures from the student data files. So this is where you would find, especially when you see from the data files, you would come here to the textbook, you would go to the activity it is that you are doing. So Word Chapter 1 would be Chapter 1 in Word. Excel Chapter 2 would be through Excel and then the Chapter 2 piece, and so on and so forth, and then get what you need. This is also where the e-text again is located so that you always know where your stuff is. The videos and the PowerPoints, just to be thorough, are the ones that you see over in Eagle. So hopefully that will help alleviate any of the stress created with that piece of homework. Actually, you'll need to do the very same thing here with the student data files. When you get to it's called the assessment, Word Chapter 1 assessment. I liked it better than the Word Chapter 1 grader, so that's the one we used instead. Those are here, and you get those through course materials and then the Skills for Success series. So have at it, 102.